Welcome to my kitchen again. So today we are going to make creamy pumpkin pasta. Yay! I love this recipe for so many reasons. First of all, it's delicious. Second of all, it's amazingly delicious. It's so creamy, the perfect amount of pumpkin flavor with that mac and cheese-ness to it, you know, like pumpkin is an awesome food, mac and cheese is an awesome food, and then you put them together, it's double awesome. So, I don't know, you can't go wrong. Pumpkin mac and cheese, it's fall, it's pumpkin season, I'm buying pumpkin bagels, I got some pumpkin ginger ale, ready to go, bring it on fall. So, I don't know what to say about this recipe other than I know you're gonna enjoy it, especially because it only takes 20 minutes to make. Woo! So let's get into it, and I will stop saying so many times. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't for more videos like this and what I eat in a day is and all kinds of fun things and cattails. All right, well, let's get into the video. First step is to peel and chop one potato. This is a Yukon Gold potato. It's about the size of my hand. I'd say it's a cup to a cup and a quarter of potato after it's chopped. And then we are just going to steam that until soft, so about 5 to 7 minutes. After the potatoes have steamed, we're gonna add them to the blender with the hemp seeds or cashews, then the milk, pumpkin puree, nutritional yeast, white miso, salt, and pepper. Then we are just going to blend that until it is extremely smooth and creamy. And finally, we are going to mix our awesome sauce into the cooked pasta and just revel in its beauty. That is pumpkin mac and cheese. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And let me know if you like this recipe, if you give it a try, if you share it with friends and family. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.